We are looking out at the Bob Hurley RV Weather Camera Network at the Pensacola Dam in Grand Lake, one location that could see a brief thunderstorm this afternoon. Even here, the chance is low, but the triggering mechanism is a dry line and a cold front advancing into green country. It will take away some of this mugginess, but it's creating a volatile setup for severe weather off to our east in the Ozarks and into portions of the Midwest, where you see already severe weather ongoing at this hour. Locally, nothing on radar. In fact, what we have is just ground clutter on this radar, so no rainfall to speak of. That could change this afternoon, monitoring our easternmost counties, and even on our satellite imagery, just a few fair weather clouds so far. Cumulus deck getting maybe a bit more agitated, meaning there's a little bit more lift occurring, but right now still no signs of an immediate storm in our eastern counties. We are seeing cooler air beginning to make inroads to Oklahoma. You look to the northwestern part of our state where temperatures are falling into the 60s and low 70s. Our part of the state stuck in the muggy 80s at this hour, feeling a bit more like June than the end of April, but that will come to an end. Northwest winds will arrive this afternoon, cooling us off. In fact, by the evening, we'll see a nice temperature tumble going from the 80s into the 70s if you've got after work plans. Sunset at 8:08. Plenty of sunshine for the Tulsa area with that blustery northwest wind. Should actually be a nice evening to spend a little time outdoors. The one exception, if you are in this zone in far eastern Oklahoma where a few storms may fire up, notice we're at the lower end of our severe weather categories. We're at the very edge of this threat of severe weather, but storms may start to fire in eastern Oklahoma and then advance into portions of the Ozarks where it may become a bit more severe with that storm threat. So here on Future Track Radar, we'll kind of show you how this evolves. There's that dry line and cold front we just showed you earlier, and those storms may begin to fire just in advance of that boundary. Notice we have a few developing near the Oklahoma, Missouri, and Arkansas lines there. More may develop near the Arkansas line into our early evening hours here. That cold front, though, dropping into northeastern Oklahoma, but the boundary doesn't fully clear the region tonight. It will kind of become a stationary front by tomorrow morning, and it's along and south of that front we have a threat of severe weather during the day tomorrow, and it may begin as early as late morning. Storms coming up out of the Red River Valley in Oklahoma and Texas will start to slide northeastward. We might have a few rounds of storms lifting into parts of northeast Oklahoma, especially southeast Oklahoma, though a bit more primed for a few rounds of these storms. The primary concern will be hail as these push through, but notice the greater covering of rainfall and storms will be coverage, I should say, would be off to our east into Arkansas in the Mississippi River Valley. At that point, we're really clearing on out and ending our severe weather threat for a little bit of time, so we catch a break. But tomorrow is that final threat, hail up to 1.5 inches in diameter. The tornado threat is low, but not zero, and we do have more rain chances that lie ahead. We'll be seeing possibly up to a couple inches of rain as we look ahead to our forecast moving into the end of the week. Tomorrow's that moderate chance for Tulsa, a high chance for southeast Oklahoma, likely rain and cool air for the end of the week with highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. Next week, returning to a more typical pattern for the start of May.